Imagine a day without water. It's coming up on October 23rd. It's meant to highlight the role water plays in our lives. Tamla Edwards finds out more about a company offering affordable water repair solutions to homeowners in this week's Art of Aging report.
When retiree Lucille Jazel found a leak in her basement, she had a protection plan, but was concerned the problem was too small to be covered.
I called, and sure enough, it was covered.
She says once she placed the call, American Water Resources handled the rest.
The appointment was set up as I was on the phone making the claim.
We are here to make sure that our customer gets the proper restoration. We try to be on site within 4 hours and take care of the problem within 10 days.
In Lucille's case, the leak was fixed the next day.
They shut the water off at the curb stop, removed the old valve,
and they repaired it with a brand new handle. It's easier to use.
You're only going to have to turn it a quarter turn.
American Water Resources offers low-cost protection plans that cover repairs both large and small, particularly important for seniors on a fixed income.
Everyone assumes that the water department covers anything outside the house, but that's not true. You own the water line from inside your house to the water main.
The plans are available across the tri-state region.
We offer external piping, which covers your water main and your sewer main. We offer in-home, which covers your inside plumbing and heating.
For Lucille, knowing she's protected brings peace of mind.
Everybody should make sure they have some kind of a water protection because you never know. I'm glad I did. It's well worth it.
Tamla Edwards, Channel 6 Action News.